Meet the whale shark, the world's largest species of fish. Despite its name, whale sharks are not actually considered whales. They're filter-feeding sharks. Whales are almost always found in temperate to tropical waters across the world. Typically, though, whale sharks can be found off the coast of India, the Maldives, Belize, South Africa, Mexico, and Southeast Asia. They can be found in shallow waters as well as the open ocean. These beautiful creatures can weigh up to 20 tons, as much as 2 elephants, and grow to be 36 feet long, roughly the size of a school bus. And the largest one ever reported was 65 feet long. Whale sharks do not have bones, but instead, their skeleton is made up of cartilage, which we humans can find in our ears and nose. It's difficult to estimate the age of whale sharks because they lack a bony structure. However, much like trees, whale sharks have rings or bands around their vertebrae that increase as the shark ages. It's unclear whether a band forms every 6 months or 1 year, as contradicting studies exist. Whale sharks are filter feeders and have mouths over 4 feet wide. They take in water and filter food through their gills, including plankton, fish eggs, small fish, and crustaceans. Whale sharks don't start reproducing until around 30 years old. Whale sharks are also ovoviviparous, which means that females produce eggs that hatch inside of them. After the eggs hatch, the female then gives birth to live young. After birth, the female will leave her young to fend for themselves, and as a result, only about 10% survive to reach adulthood. Female whale sharks are found to be larger than most males, which is true for most species of sharks. Whale sharks are very slow swimmers and don't move much faster than 3 miles per hour. Most sharks don't sleep, and that's also true to the whale shark. They need to keep moving so that water continually passes through their gills. They may not sleep, but they do rest, and when they do, their brain goes into a sort of standby mode. While most whale sharks are found feeding on the surface, they are known to swim to depths of 1,000 meters, or 3,280 feet. Whale sharks also have tiny teeth on their eyeballs, which is thought to act as a kind of armor for them to protect their eyes. These tiny teeth are called denticles. It's a common misconception that whale sharks have poor eyesight, but in fact, they can see just fine. They do, however, have very tiny eyes compared to their bodies. Their eyes are slightly bigger than a golf ball. Sadly, whale sharks are often mistakenly caught in fishing nets, hit by boat propellers, and are greatly affected by plastic pollution. They're also deliberately hunted because their fins are considered a delicacy in Asia. It's important that we protect these gentle giants and do what we can to preserve their habitats and reduce our contribution to climate change and plastic pollution. And those are your facts.